2026. Mark that year down because Ethereum is about to get a serious upgrade. All right, let's kick things off with some big news for Ethereum. You know how sometimes using the network feels a bit like rush hour traffic? Well, that's about to change. Experts are saying that by 2026, Ethereum is going to start scaling exponentially, all thanks to something called ZK tech. Now, what the heck is ZK tech? Simple. Think of it like a super efficient express lane for transactions. Instead of every single car showing its ID at the main gate, a ZK rollup bundles a bunch of cars together, checks them all off-chain, and then sends one tiny, undeniable proof to the main road saying, yep, these are all good. This makes everything way faster and cheaper. We're talking about a massive leap in how many transactions Ethereum can handle, making it smoother for everyone. Big things are brewing for the network. And speaking of Ethereum, here's something interesting that could mean good things down the line. The amount of ETH sitting on crypto exchanges, it's hitting multi-year lows. Now, why is that a big deal? Usually when people keep their crypto on exchanges, it's because they're ready to sell it. But when it starts disappearing from those platforms, it means folks are moving their ETH into cold storage, staking it, or locking it up in decentralized finance apps. That tells you people ain't looking to dump it anytime soon. They're holding it for the long haul. Even though the price has been stuck below $3,000 for a bit, this shrinking supply is a classic sign of long-term accumulation. Less supply on the market, especially when demand picks up, can mean higher prices down the road. Keep an eye on this one. This is not financial advice. Now let's swing over to Cardano. You might have heard the whispers, the rumors flying around that Charles Hoskinson, the big man behind Cardano, dumped a bunch of his ADA, especially with ADA taking a pretty rough hit, down about 88% from its peak over the last 4 years. People were speculating he might have jumped ship. But hold on a second. Hoskinson himself just came out swinging, flat out denying those rumors. He said he's never sold any ADA, only ever acquired it, often through initial purchases from the project's treasury. He's also confirmed he hasn't touched his original founder allocation, so the founder is sticking by his coin even when the going gets tough. That's a strong statement of commitment, even if the price action hasn't been what everyone hoped for. Remember, this is not financial advice. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.